Good morning, students. I welcome you all for today's online session, Class 2 English. Okay, so your book, Communicate with Cambridge CB book. All of you will open your English CB textbook, page number 11. How they sleep. What we have started? How they sleep. We have started the poem How They Sleep. Subject English CB book. Okay, now I have taken a small session on this poem. Again, we'll see. Whenever we start any lesson or poem in our English subject, there is a small warm up session. I have told you every lesson and poem have a small warm up session. So, what this warm up session asks us, when you feel sleepy, where do you sleep? Which spot is the most comfortable? Okay. So, as I have told you, you all play a lot. I know nowadays you might be playing a lot at home. Getting tired, feeling sleepy. Are you feeling sleepy? Yes. Every one of us feels sleepy, and sleep is also the important part of our life. So, when you feel sleepy, where you sleep? You have to tell the comfortable place. So, here four options are given: floor, sofa, bed, car. Like I feel sleepy, so I go and sleep on my bed. So today all of you will tell your parents which is the comfortable place for you to sleep. Now let's start the poem. We have seen first two lines, so we'll start again. Some things go to sleep in such a funny way. One thing, students, when I am reading, at the same time you will open your books, page number 11, and read along with me. Some things go to sleep in such a funny way. Little birds stand on one leg and tuck their heads away. Now, in this poem, how animals, different insects, birds, and human beings, small babies, how they sleep, the poet is explaining us. The name is only tell us what it is, how they sleep. So, what is the first stanza saying? Some things go to sleep in very funny way, like small birds. Now see here, in this book only an image is there, branch of tree is given and a small bird is there. How it is sleeping? So what the poet says, little birds stand on its one leg, tuck their heads away and go to sleep. Then chickens do the same, standing on their perch. Small chickens, yes, it is a domesticated animal. And a branch horizontal, like this way branch is there, perch, and on it it goes to sleep. Then little mice lie soft and still, as if they were in church. Now see, a small mice is shown here. So how it is sleeping? It is lying soft and still, as if it were in church. Then see, one small kitten is shown here. Kittens curl up close in such a funny ball. Funny ball, you have seen ball. So like in the ball shape it goes to sleep. Now next, horses. They are saying how the horses sleep. So horses hang their sleepy heads. What they do? They hang their sleepy heads, stand still in a stall. Now see, this horse is standing still, and what it has done? It has hang its heads, and this way the horse goes to sleep. Now turn the page, page number 12. Now, sometimes dog stretch out or curl in a heap. Whenever you go on road, or some of you might be having pet dogs at their home. So have you seen how dogs, they totally stretch their bodies, totally stretch out, and then curl up in a heap and go to sleep. Many times while we are going on road, some dogs are laying and sleeping. Have you seen how they are sleeping? Similarly, this way the dogs sleep, the poet is saying. Now then, next is what, who comes? Cows. Now next come the cows. Cows lie down upon their sides when they go to sleep. So see here, a cow is shown. See here, this cow, it has been laid down on one side. Similarly, when you go, you see many cows are there. Many cows are seen on a road. So cows are sleeping. They are lying one side and going to sleep. Then next, who comes? Next come the babies. Small babies, you all have seen. You are also now small only. What you and small kids do? But little babies, dear, are snugly tucked in beds, warm with blankets, all so soft, and pillows for their heads. Now see here, a small baby is shown in this diagram, in this figure, and a pillow it has she has taken, and a blanket is being taken. Okay, so what the babies do, snugly tucked means in a comfortable manner. You know, when we are taking our blankets, we feel cold, what we do, we take pillows, take our blankets, go in comfortable and go to sleep. So the poet similarly says their little babies dear are snugly tucked in bank, warm with blankets. When you take blankets, you feel warm, also soft, and yes, you take pillows for your comfortable zone. Yes, so in this way little babies sleep. Understood the poem? What was the poem? How they sleep. In this poem, we have different types of small animals, birds, dogs, cats, cows, how they are sleep. We are saying one by one. We have seen, first we have seen about the bird, then the chickens, then the little mice, kittens, horses, dogs, cows, and finally at the last, small babies. We have seen how all of them sleep. So understood? I hope all of you have understood this poem. Read the poems 2 to 3 times. Try to learn it, understand it. If any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you.